Good evening. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Kindly keep your paper in the sleeping position.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are we making today?
Who is this?
Ma'am, I'm Samaira.
Yeah, hi. How are you? Where have you been?
Ma'am, I was there in. Okay, yeah. I was not there in Thursday's class because it was my brother's birthday.
Okay, okay.
And day before yesterday's class didn't happen.
Yes, yes. Okay,
So,
so we are
yes.
going to make a scenery today. I want you all to keep the cotton in your hand ready, okay? Keep cotton.
Ma'am, actually today I have my very much pain in this arm, so in my right hand, and so whenever I'll just draw today and outline it, and then just outline the colors and color it afterwards once my hand is fine.
No problem.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So we will just draw what is required. Thereafter, we will do the coloring.
We need normal oil pastels, na?
Ah,
Okay.
yes. Have we done earlier day and night drawing?
What, ma'am?
Have we done earlier day and night drawing?
No, ma'am. Day and night drawing with the hand, right?
No,
Okay, that one. That you posted a picture actually.
we have done.
No, ma'am. You once posted the picture, but we didn't did it.
Yes. Okay.
But
So
I'm
we'll be
not sure
doing.
if that one is that because that one is with the hand and some mask like type of.
No, 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 no. We'll be doing the day and night drawing. So the paper is in sleeping position, and we are just giving it a fold. We are just giving it a fold. Okay. So now this part will be day. This part will be night.
Ma'am, will we need any plate or something?
No,
I thought we need.
no. Okay. Now coloring the day part first. Vermilion hue. Color number 449.
Ma'am, will we draw like um,
Medium yellow. Color number 256. Two colors we need for the
ma'am,
day part.
ma'am, blue part, which color?
It is not blue, it will be black and gray. I will show it to you afterward. Now this
We need the number 449 and what color?
256, right? Medium yellow.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Now
ma'am, with the
this
yellow,
you
which
have to
color?
do the vermilion hue in the curve position. Upper part, huh? This is up. Now first do the outline as it is.
Ma'am, will we draw above the oil pastels?
This is upper part, this is lower part.
No मैम I'm asking हम like हम इसके ऊपर वाला drawing इसके ऊपर करेंगे.
We are going to draw above it. First, we will be doing the smudging part. Now, just keep moving in one direction. If at all the white spaces is seen, it's okay. Medium to hard pressure. Keep moving in one direction. Don't change the direction of the color. This will be the part of vermilion hue, color number 449. Now here again this shape only, maintain this shape only. Medium yellow. First do the outline. Then when you start coloring, one finger space inside vermilion hue and then you have to come down. One finger space inside vermilion hue, then come down. White spaces are seen, it's absolutely okay. One finger space inside vermilion hue, then come down. One finger space inside vermilion hue, then come down. Just a second. Yes.
Ma'am, by mistake I have done like this,
Like what?
like this.
8 minutes. What is wrong in that?
Ma'am, I did like this.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, down also the color has come.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Down will be a darker tone. No problem. One finger space inside vermilion hue, then come down. One finger space inside vermilion hue, then come down.
Ma'am, Jermin done.
Okay. Take the cotton. Take the cotton.
Ma'am, is it okay if we use tissue paper?
It's absolutely okay if you use tissue paper. First, we
Okay,
will
ma'am.
start from the orange vermilion hue color. Move your cotton to the circular motion like move your cotton to the circular motion like this. Move your cotton to the circular motion. Samira, if your hand is paining, you can do this step afterwards. But then on this
I
drawing, what we are going to do come only after the smudging. Huh?
what, ma'am?
On this, the drawing what we are going to do will be coming only after smudging.
Ma'am, I'm doing bit by bit, like dheere dheere.
Okay.
So the first one is done like this.
Yes.
Should I
Now,
start doing the yellow one?
yes. With the same cotton only, we are going to do the yellow one so that the effect is going to be seen.
Ma'am, in the same side of the tissue paper, can we do in the yellow one also?
Yes, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
You'll be able to see the effect. If you change, then only the yellow will follow.
What will we draw on this?
Okay. This much is done. We'll go to the other side.
And why are we leaving this?
What? That we will be doing afterwards. We are not leaving. The
Oh,
dark is going to come. So I'm going to say you afterwards. Now, only this much part where we have vermilion hue shade. Only the part where we are having vermilion hue shade. That has to be done black. That has to be done black. Again, keep it like this.
Ma'am, will we do smudging in this black?
Yes, medium to dark pressure. We are even going to follow with the gray shade, but first we will smudge the black color. So take the cotton and start smudging the black color. It's okay if your black color is going to come down while smudging, okay? With the other hand, please catch the paper. First smudge the black color. Now, with the help of the cotton only, first try to take the excess of the black color down. Then we will understand how much part we have to keep for our gray color.
Ma'am, what should we do after smudging the black?
That's what I'm saying. Excess of black from the cotton, try to take it down like this. See, whatever is there in the tissue paper or cotton, try to take it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, like this is coming.
See, can you see mine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you taken till down?
Yes, ma'am.
What we will do initially, we will leave this. We won't be doing anything gray here. First, we will draw what we want to draw. Okay? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't have a gray, but I have dark gray.
Okay.
Can I use dark gray, ma'am?
No, right now, don't use. Now, with the dark brown color, dark brown 101. What we have to do in a zigzag position, only this much, huh? Only this much position. Make it dark with dark brown color. Now here you will be coloring with dark pressure.
Ma'am, should we color with dark brown inside?
Yes, yes, dark brown only I am coloring with color number 101. Color in dark pressure, no white space should be seen. Okay. Then take your black color. Just make a border line first like this. Also this side, the other side also.
Ma'am, can you wait for German? German still doing.
Okay. This type of line I want. and we are going to color this part also in dark. Now, from here, stretch the line like this.
Ma'am, are we making a tree between?
Yes.
Okay.
Again, we are going to cut black and hard pressure. No white spaces to be seen. Stretch some branches like this.
Ma'am, I don't have that much space.
How come we are not doing fill up now?
Ma'am, I'm doing like this one.
Now this one will also come down. We are going to stretch the branches like this. Again here down, we are going to do the black color.
Ma'am, but what should we do after doing the branches?
See, again we are down, we are doing the black color.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do we have to do after this? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what will we do after this?
you have done this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please wait. So we want to show as in the night sky side, we are able to see more branches, huh?
Ma'am, medium to hard pressure while we are coloring black, or hard pressure?
Hard pressure.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a class at 5:50.
5:50, na, my dear. It is not even 5:30.
Okay.
Then just with the help of your light hand, do the dotted part like this.
Ma'am, German's doing black.
Yes, do it. Now see, in the night sky above part, you won't be able to see. But the below part you have to do.
Ma'am, please see.
Just a second.
Can you see?
No, bacha, I have not seen. Just a second. Wait. Sorry. Yes. Yes. Very good.
And what next?
Now, so with the help of the vermilion hue color again, draw a round over here and color it dark. Okay, understood? Just with the help of your hands. No need to draw with the help of your, any stencil. With the help of your hand
Ma'am,
and
German.
from the color primary red, from the color primary red, give it a shade. Give it a shade.
Ma'am, German done.
So this type of shading you have to give from primary red.
Ma'am, can you see German?
Just a second. Yes. Now take white color on the other side with the help of the white color.
Ma'am, are we drawing a moon?
Yes, the sun and the moon. So the moon is not a full moon.
And
Moon,
please see mine.
what?
Please see mine.
Just a second, my dear. Just a second.
Okay.
It should be looking at a half moon. It is not a full moon. Huh?
Ma'am, can you see German?
Just a second. Yes. These type of dots you can do. To indicate the stars.
And can you see Samira's?
Yes, very good. Did you like the drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Robin, show me yours.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Amira.
Ma'am, is it done?
Yes, our class is done for today.
Oh, ma'am, can I leave?
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Robin,
Bye, ma'am. What, ma'am?
show me your drawing.
Bye, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.